Welcome back to Color and Book TV, and we're there with a bad movie. I don't know so I see title. I want to call my girlfriend mother part 2. Make sure to like, share, comment, watch the movie at the end. And people, here we are going. I want to go over America Vlogs and go support the channel, subscribe, tell a friend about over there. You know, say a whole heap of bad vlog over there. And people, don't forget, Bad Go TV, go on and whole heap of something over there. So check it out. Remember, people, Life with Tia. And check it out on YouTube and subscribe. You know, say also Color and Book kick off a channel called True Color TV. You understand? So check it out. I'm going to sleep. Wake up.
At what time?
Give them an introduction, man. True Color TV.
Alright, here we go now. America Black TV, right? Fans, I want to go support, share, like everything. I want to done support, share, like everything. I want to do so all America Black TV. I want to marry it. You see me, forever and forever. I want Color and Boss. Who may represent a puppy then?
One America Vlog.
Alright, later.
No, just do it right.
Hey, no nice, man. I want to see.
Watch the movie at the end. I'm out.
Hello. One to him. I don't know that's somebody but you want commotion out here, commotion, I see him. You know him? I'm a boyfriend, I will go out. You don't want to see like him drunk or something. You're drunk? Hello, you're drunk? You're drunk?
What
do you mean by drunk? I don't know, but just come out here, come see my I go on with yourself. Hello. Babe, what do you?
Babe, what happened, quiet?
I don't know, I didn't understand me here. How much finger this?
One.
Jesus Christ, something really drunk.
Babe, I want some water. Come on, pop it on. Pop it on, can I bar them and mom and give me too much eggs.
You know him for true? And me and him live together on the like right here, so you and him live
Babe,
right
want
here.
some water, pop it on. Babe, love some water. Pop it on, give me too much energy. And I can't drink beer.
Should trust you,
Tell your mother for choo.
Yes, I'm a man, how are you? I'm not a serious joke.
Never know. Sorry, never know. Babe,
Don't touch me. No, what I want. Hello.
yes.
Hey! Don't go drink and junk. Look when you come in and they embarrass me in front of my daughter.
Hey, daughter. Babe, pop it on, give me energy, babe. Pop it on, give me all my energy. No, we can't drink here.
No, but look first,
Babe,
the pressure and water. And water, you say you want your son, if you want to say you get water.
Babe, me recover.
Maybe, sorry for cutting you, but too much. Me come back on next day. Me can't do it. Come on, babe. Go on inside.
Go on.
You can't do it.
Yo, where you look out of space, so I'm to you.
How much time I think so nothing anymore?
You mean by nothing there? It's look how you fold your hand, you just look out of space.
Be my alright, nothing.
You alright. For you come from down your mother, you press me with them kind of energy, and I want to.
We don't want me to tell you. I tell you say nothing to do. I keep on repeat it to you, say nothing to do. I'm alright.
So me an idiot?
Which part of the conversation you hear me say you're an idiot? I'm not in a mood for this.
Alright, you're not in a mood for me just to ask you about your feelings.
When I keep on telling you nothing to do, me, you are irritated because every minute you ask me want to me, I say nothing to do.
I told me tell you so I not come meet your mother yesterday. Is that a problem?
So why you assume stuff?
You suppose me just not ready for meet your mother. I'm not ready for that kind of commitment there, that kind of connection there. What wrong with that?
Tell you say that make me vex?
So you see it, you confirm so you vex.
Me no vex.
That something
So why
I come back with the same.
You just assume stuff say me vex over because you no come.
So why you vex over? Because you say none of that.
Me no vex over nothing. Me just I think about stuff.
So you start hide things for me now. Yeah, blow off.
Me if you tell you everything in my head, what I got you my head?
Well, if it affect your relationship, yes.
But if me tell you what you are gonna do, you're going to say me always have some shit to talk about or something.
What you have first mode them have vibes there, I can't take them have vibes there in our house.
Then don't ask me what to me then because nothing I do.
You know, so I get tired of your style. I ask you one simple question, what wrong with you?
And me keep on tell us that nothing to do me. What you want me to do? Tell lie about myself? Yes, something do me. You please know?
Yeah, what happened to you?
Nothing. You come to know what you want me to tell you.
First you have first with this your word. Nothing to do you. And then you go say, me just assume say, that's why you're vexed. But you're clearly vexed. I mean you're vexed with?
You do something?
No, but you're there for you come back here first me, you just look out of space. You need to cook.
Don't talk to me then.
A road me have to go buy food.
So you can't, so what I'd say?
You mean a woman live with, brother?
What you want me to do?
Anything you feel like the man. You can't manage the style, you know. We are kiss teeth pan. We are kiss teeth pan, Javen. I'm pull out 2 teeth then for you. You might get trouble.
I'm not in a mood for this.
Careful, man. I'm gonna know harm to you. You know how something up on your mind, you're there vexed up and you can't talk. What happened?
Me can't just want to be by myself. I want to be by myself. Nothing I do. I want to be by myself.
Be by yourself, you kakawan too.
Yes. Babes,
What a problem?
you finished bed.
What that have to do with me?
You bed already?
That not have nothing to do with it.
Babes, you tell me say babes with me from last night, see me. I know my fault. I must say you never call me and tell me say your daughter forward, you know. You see me? I just link Puppy Dan and Puppy Dan and tell me say yo, we just have a drink. And you know one drink lead to another.
Listen, Mercy. No matter what you tell me right now, it not gonna change the fact that the first time you meet my daughter, you is a junkie, which me never know about.
No babe, me not junkie babes. Me just get carried away.
You get carried away, so me not understand what you tell me say. Listen, me the all lie, right? You never get carried away. What kind of problem you can have so? That's you come home drunk and make my daughter meet you for the first impression last.
Babes.
A girl there, she all vex and go. I don't know if me go ever see her again. I don't know.
That's the reason why she vex. You know why my problem? Me will tell you why my problem. My problem or your problem. So every time they are cry, me I think about it, but because me a man, me can't break down and tell you say, oh, same thing where you go through, if you see my woman a cry, if you know saying can't meet him that's my problem. So me just go around and stress and everything me can't tell Puppy Dan babes. So sometimes I have to just drink and get it off of my chest. So I just that's my problem. If you just know say you're nasty, your daughter you stress out. The woman who me have in my life who I love, she stress out, so me stress out too. So that's my problem. Me take 1 second babe, me take you blame. But you have to take 30% of the blame. Because you never call me and tell me say babes. So me take my responsibility. Not saying you are the person, you know, who do the wrong thing, you know, but me take my responsibility. But just cut me look at babes. Please. Me apologize. And you will see her again.
Right now, I don't know how me forgive you. Because guess what? You jeopardize You jeopardize everything, you know. Me I call a little girl now and she not answer all over. So I'm going right back at square one. Right back at square. Listen, let me tell her this. This not gonna work right now. I mean, my brain not function right. So I need to go up on the road.
No. What you say not work? The argument not work or the relationship not work? Cause me know say the argument not work.
It not work. That's all I need to know. Me have to go up on the road. Me go link my friend and see me can blow some steam off of my brain and something. Cause talking to you right now, it only get me upset. You understand what I say? It get me upset.
No. Babes in a one bad mood, you know, I go link up with them because I feel like I just need somebody to talk the same way. I know I shake up, but I link up with them.
Hello.
Hello? Javia? Why you not answer your phone? Me I call you from when you not answer your phone. Why?
Why need for answer you?
Why? By any idea not my fault.
Oh, yeah.
By any idea not your fault either.
What you mean it's not your fault? It's all your fault because if you tell me the truth from the get-go, this will not happen. You see me never hide nothing from you. I could have tell us I don't have a man. I tell us I have a man. And you should have got the chance to write this so you see you know say I have a woman but we still can't try to work on something you like to me.
But basically, correct me. Did you ask me?
What you mean if I ask you?
If you ask me, I'm never tell you, I'm tell you a lie, then me apologize.
But basically,
Me never know say I want fall for your lady. And the lady what me fall for. I'm a woman and me your daughter. And you never know say you have a fall for your man. And the man where you fall for. And your mother where you not see all long. Boyfriend.
by any idea, bro, like it all away in our spot right now.
Leave your mother in a one spot. Right now, me not think this can work. You see me?
What you mean you don't think this can work? So after you do what you do, and we do a thing and we fall for each other, me can talk to you and what you mean like you don't feel this gonna work? Listen to me, you now go just come here so show me all kind of love and affection and feel like say it going to stop. So me not care. Listen, if your life go miserable and me I promise you and I tell I promise you.
Babes, you listen me. If me tell you something no weak, you lie me, I tell you. If me tell you something no fall, you lie me, I tell you. Right now, my heart feel like you have a whole of it. The only thing we keep me going right now are you. But by any idea, just look into this right now. You and your mother don't have a good relationship over the years. And just fix up things. And more while we did and see she break down. She break down. And for you coming in her life right now, and because of me or you, we have a mash up back our life. Just look into me and say.
So you don't feel like my life mash up to you? You don't feel like my life I go downhill too?
Babes, me know you see your life I go downhill. Me know say you never put party with me, you explain and you will tell me the relationship you're in right now with your man. Him beat you more and him not have a good thing. And you talk about that, you open up and tell me the whole of them things that I overstand and understand. That's one of the things I need to fall for you. Because I say you are a quiet girl. Right now, all the way in our spot right now. I just feel like what happened right now, your mom don't know. I just mean you right now in the class, you don't know what going. Your mother in our dark, so I just feel like just ease off for a little while till we can start all this.
Here what going to happen? We're going to talk about this either over the phone or in person and try to figure out something, but you're not going to do so because me I promise you, your life going to be a hell and me not care what consequences will come after, like me don't care. So me just put that out there.
Can I see you?
No.
I can't see you. Me know you don't want to see me, but deep down you want to see me. And because of the situation right now, you see me, but deep down you want to see me. But sometimes you just give some space, but sometimes you have to follow your heart. You see me? Don't just do this because I feel it. follow your heart.
Me always a follow my heart, and my heart a tell me say if you mess up, then you go and face something like I mean not even gonna tell you. Me not threaten you neither, you know, but have a good day. If you want, whenever you come to your senses, you can come back and make a talk.
Don't hang up, Javier, don't hang up, babes, don't hang up. Javier. Shit.
I'll make you look so. You ever have some problem? You don't even recover good for your little belly hot, you have teeth problem? Girl, I need to wash off a river or something. But here what, I could tell up on phone I have to call link you. What? I have something to tell you. Two something I have to tell you. Good news and bad news. Which one do you want first?
Give me good news first. Make the bad news stay for last. Come, talk.
You remember yesterday when I tell you say about my daughter situation like what me tell you say? Can you like
Remember, just get to the point. No, me think that me no me.
sure.
My youth.
You frightened me, you know?
Take time talk, man. Are you say me I can link, you know?
So make your father, so.
Brother, me have to hide. Woman saying I link your cousin Marika. And you know Marika not like me already. Brother. So me
I'm frightened.
around pan the back, me have to walk, brother.
A current me there a fix general. Cause what you know? Right now JPS bill get high on me and I tell you say my cousin. He just come like he want to lead down you know say every day and get a man for help pay some my bills them youth.
Yeah, fix current.
Yeah, me and JPS come to a agreement so them will give me some little thief in light and
Yeah, thief current puppy dan.
Take time talk no man.
Sorry,
Take time talk loud no man.
Sorry. Puppy and JPS good man. Me na bigger problem on now.
What kind of problem? A heart attack you nearly make me have yourself. You know, me hear the zinc come over and me look me see somebody a fling. You say I run.
Puppy dan stress out. Me na big problem.
There are two women here, so if it's stress out and me we nah know woman for stress.
Me a talk about youth.
What?
Me you say I'll feel name come out a problem.
My name?
Take time talk no man, me a tell you say no man run some man my cousin man. I remember say your cousin no like me already.
That's true.
Puppy dan, the girl me tell you say me buck. When me tell you say na problem with him and I beat him and say
What on? Yeah, nah lift.
Yeah, take everything for joke man.
No, boy, I say me I wonder if I let you left you.
But if I left me left I no problem. Because me have a woman in my life same way. Guess.
What?
Well, let me give you an example. Remember some woman always a complain saying that and I call him. And he must stress out every minute.
I know what me I think I that go on.
If I the same thing what you think or the same thing what me I think.
So are you woman daughter?
Puppy Dan, you can't tell lie, you can't get me out of this. It's deep, me I tell you. Puppy Dan, I'm a woman daughter, I'm there with it.
Nah, youth, you know say no listen to youth, you know say no listen. Yeah, hold on, me say something to you. Can you see me come like me can see things, you know?
So puppy, if you see things what me can tell me.
So hold on, no, at that me I get to the point. I remember a time when you forward to me and you tell me say you see a nice girl. And the girl nice and you tell me say your woman a look for your daughter. And when me say to you say, I would glad if your woman find your daughter. You say if she nice, I would put her in my room and run out. My cousin come and say 2 bed in her room in there, you know. So my cousin share one room. So me I tell you say I would put her in the room and run out her. So you know say, me would in the family. But you never listen to me.
But I come like a revenge.
When me I tell her say my daughter call me and tell me so she can link me.
Yeah, me remember that.
I never know say Mama did a surprise me so. Mama coming now. Mama finally come and say girl I can't even know how me feel.
Overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed. I don't know where you get. Mama me say me happy so till you know when Pitney happy say Christmas come, me get tired. I saw me feel
Alright,
excited.
get the bad news now because my heart a beat fast enough. I wonder what go on.
So you will want me go a bad news, so? I say you will want hear bad news?
More hear bad news now, man. Me know say that come. That's wonderful.
Yes, and we men things and you know what I come
Get to
here.
the bad news now. What is it?
Alright. You know say my man always go drink and sitting with fear cousin.
A normal something that none of the everyday thing that me girl.
A everyday thing. But something surprised me when me tell her say me I feel pre-deep. Cause me I wonder when since my man stay so.
Still.
Alright, so me take it from the beginning. Me go use the bathroom, right? Me left my daughter sit down on the bed and like about 2 minutes after me in the bathroom, me hear one commotion on the veranda. So me I wonder, what that? Me hear somebody attack, so then me hear like sitting drop her.
Your man lick your daughter? Let me go over there for the boy. Come.
Sit down. Slow down.
Don't know what.
Listen what me tell you now. When me go out there, my man like he pass out little. So he tell me say, alright, when he revive, he tell me say he want some water. I go for the water, you know. You think me give him for drink? I dash it on the nasty rock. Listen now, junk like a bat. When since you know say him junk?
Me don't know after my brother not come in drunk yesterday.
This man ever they drink and I never seen drunk yet. So me not understand what kind of different rum in drink.
Yeah, stress the man.
Me look like stress to you?
So wait. Let me ask you one question. God Almighty. At this I could tell me on the phone?
Yeah.
At this I bad news you come to my yard for come tell me? Kill me.
You know why me I say bad news?
Why bad news?
My daughter they see me. You know what? A long time she not see me and she a meet him for the first time. And I saw him a behave drunk. You know say first expression. Oh you go again. They sitting there. You understand what I mean?
You understand what you mean, man? Talk.
So that are the bad news.
Later.
So Marika really around me?
Later. Yeah, me have some dirty plate for go wash up and 2 panty for wash. Because guess what? I think you did that something fantastic for me. I want to come to my yard come tell me.
You know what? Next time I have me business, I'm going to keep it to myself. I don't know what kind of friend you'll be.
No, what kind of woman you be? I don't know what you call bad news.
Later, baby.
Shut up, brother.
No, on a
you come
revenge.
like me come with my problem and you come like you use my problem. I beat my brother.
Alright, so
yeah,
you
what kind of friend?
I say you are going to know.
Yeah, what kind of friend, brother?
You are going. So who you are going to work with? Because you have him mother and you have his daughter. Yo,
Yo, nobody with that man. Can't celebrate more, celebrate man.
yo.
Puppy Dan, me not tell lie na you. Me a man good, you know. Me a man good and me love man, bro. But you know when you have a car and you have a 5 year and like certain features. No,
Stop. Stop.
No, it car alright now, but like certain features not in and then you go to one next car now. I just start drive at a car you know. So new features in there.
Okay.
So but me love man. But me love the new features me not.
But you know what your lad say? You know so if me buy one car and me top drive my old car and my virgin don't have a car, me go give my virgin the old car for go and drive. So when me I say now you could
can't buy a car for yourself. You can't get a car for yourself.
Yeah, but you could have give me the new car. Because me no want your woman left, you know. You see your woman in your yard, the one day, she love you.
Me not give none of my car them.
No,
you know say you come like, you take this thing for joke.
No, but you can't have mother and daughter. You have to give me the daughter. Because me don't tell you already. I joke me, I run me and I run.
Me not run them, I joke the brother.
So me help you nice.
You come like you use my problem and I slap me on my face with the brother.
You want to know. You see, if they find out nothing, just tell me the man.
Woman in the closet. I mean, in that alone know what go on.
Me? No, me no know. Me never know nothing.
You know, so the reason why actually I'm not informed, you know. But right now, I feel like I'm informed to get
no,
the girl.
No, sister, man.
Puppy Dan.
I will never
listen
do
me
that.
now. Me and you all a drink, don't and we have a drink.
So, you go tell them I made that drink for you. So that they go play off down and say
Me tell him, sir, Puppy Dan give me liquor for drink. And woman throw water in my face. Me come home good and now, feel nice.
What this man?
Me feel nice and feel like me I'll get some nice things. When me I go lock the door and get some nice things. When me do so boom and go in at the house, me have one never dream me a dream. Guess who me sit down on the bed?
No, your woman daughter.
I'm a side chick. Come never know some woman that at the point. Me I say, Lord Jesus Christ, how this a woman a do ya? Me say me go in and drape him. Sorry. Me go in and drape him and drape him come out the door. Me say, girl, where you a do ya? Where you a do a me yard? He must say him mother yard in there. Me say, what you say? Inside mother yard. Sorry. Inside mother yard in there. Me say, why your mother? Jesus Christ. Guess what he say?
Yo, man.
No, you know say that already.
You say?
He call his name.
Tia.
Tia, Jesus Christ. Me say, why your mother? He say, Tia. Me say, me woman are your mother. He say, one woman. Puppy Dan.
Why?
He girl. You know what me come check you now? Me a call the girl. He not get him. No, me get him. The girl say, no, he not talking. Me I explain and I tell him, say, babes, me never know, say, your mother. You see me never know. Me never know.
So what you go do now? You go drop off one of them?
They know that me I do. You
drop off your daughter?
Me I let go the daughter. But the daughter tell me, say, now go work.
The advice of it.
He say, me never left me mash up my relationship. You can't go look him and make him know say me your friend.
You think that is an idea?
Yeah, man, you don't like him.
Yeah, them post me get her.
If you get him, you don't get him, puppy.
So me I go share or me alone I go about?
No, puppy, me not alright. Listen, big man thing. Me uncle said that to me. Puppy, me rate her, you know. Like when me, puppy, when me and her raise it come like.
Boy, me can't
never
see.
Go foreign. He like me been to foreign and me never got friend me and my raise.
No.
Like, when me hold her puppy and squeeze her, you never want to show it and I can't.
Yeah, me no want to hear the part. But you know say, when we are drink the Hennessy the day, you know. I just see real attack and I say, yo, you just a chat out your business in the bar or the bartender for you. Say, you find a new woman and you have to catch
so
back.
So me never put me in my chest, puppy Dan. When I get into the room, I say, boy, top chat.
That me should do call the bartender, say you find a new woman and I say, you have to catch back. I say, no, I'm a woman and me had me attack. The room make you talk too much. So, me I wonder, you sure say I'm for you wonder if I room make you a dream say you see around it.
Me I wonder say, like how me and I liquor. If me tell woman, so you give me the woman.
You could have never do that because big hey.
No,
you could never do that.
Never say me do it. Me I say one if me do it.
But that me I say one if I roam a fool you because you so like same like a roam a fool you try to do this in my bar. And if I roam a fool you and make you feel so you see your side chick in your house.
What me fi do? Tap tell me what me know already. What me fi do? I got me come to find out.
Alright, you see what you need to do now? You and the girl need to sit down and hold a decent conversation.
I got me tell him and he say no want to talk to me. But he want to talk to me, you know. But you in Bex, he no want to talk to me.
So give her a little space. And you have to give your woman a little space because
no.
But she no Bex. She no know.
You gonna check. Me can't pop it down. Me can't give my woman and me no space, but I me give the woman out of space. Yeah,
Achoo.
Yo,
no, actually, it's JPS current business department. Check me back one next day.
Go on, teach your current.
Take time, talk.
Sorry.
Man.
Go on, yeah, JPS work out on our work out. Go look at Mama look out. Go on, alright. Come. You can't come.
Yeah, America want to see out there.
Eh?
America want out there.
Babe. Babe.
Something gone already.
Yes. I pray.
How will I come from?
So I'm going to check up that because basically you say you want to talk. So you talk to your friend. You say you want to calm down my brain. So you check up that to calm down my brain and talk.
Well, my brain feel calm now and
Basically, backward more happen still because I said I want to see if you get upset again to yourself. You don't want to see me, isn't it? Kind of hurt me still, but kind of.
so true, you know, me get upset, you take backward.
No, babes, me not listen, me not hide from you. You just upset with me, and I say basically, I just give you space. So you say you're going to check your friend to talk to, check my friend to talk to. And I'm going to tell my friend with business, I just go talk. And I feel better to talk. So I just Matter of fact,
We need to talk.
you want to go on first, or you want to go on first?
You go first.
Alright, listen. I'm not perfect, and you are not perfect. Basically, something about me never know, so I want to affect you. Affect your daughter if you come check it the first time, which me never know. But by an idea as well, you say you don't really know me as a drinker. I get carried away. Now I blame myself. I now blame Puppy Dan, and I now blame but I take responsibility. Because by an idea, whether I know or I don't know, I shouldn't get carried away with drinking because I'm a big man. You see me? So I apologize about that. Next thing again, I apologize. If you know say your daughter come check you, and I just act like a fool. You see me? So I apologize about that. But one more thing, babes. I never apologize for love you and still in love with you. You're the best thing about me and my life right now. And by an idea, you say you want some space. If you want just space, basically we can't talk about that. But what me I will do? I will be like a magnet right now, but you really want space or not. So I just apologize. That's just what I say right now.
Okay.
You see me?
Alright. So me hear everything when you say Eva from this morning, and I don't feel like I should have really 100% upset because you know so we all take stress different. Maybe I saw you take your stress, drink and but not do it again. Please me I beg you. If you feel like you get one little tips, you just cut off by drinking. Come in and like see yourself.
Tips if you know kind of hard with you, but I know that make me go drink, babes, because your stress and my stress, and I get carried away. I'm really thanks and appreciate it. So you have forgive me, isn't it?
Yeah, we have to move past this. Cause we move past worse than this already. So all I have to go do is just try to reach out back to my daughter and
We, isn't it?
so I'm gonna try and call her. I don't know.
And one more thing to be as me say, we are going to try to reach out to you. Yo, I just maybe she just begs her now as usual. Because enough time I tell me say yo, you call her and then you not get her, and sometimes she read the message and a response. You know say she have a response. Just like how you begs with me right now and you got a reason and then come back, contact with me also and told me come back. She and her will good. Isn't me? So I saw me I will good, isn't me? Here.
Yeah, good man, good. Like my girls, we my girls.
Babes. Hello, VE. Why are you? You here? Alright. Alright, see if you can reach your dad and see if you can get there, if you can feel a bit better. Now go inside, go cry my tears. And wipe up my tears there. Can you come?
Oh yeah, okay, fam.
I'm happy, babes.
Come.
Babe, how much time we crash? I'm gonna buy a new car.
Yeah.
Fix it up back. So we just crash and fix it up back.
That's what true love is.
Alright, my baby. Take your time, take your time.
Yo, how that a call?
Yeah, me know that I call.
So you don't answer your phone?
My mother called me and I don't feel like I want to talk to her.
Since when you don't talk to your mother?
Ah, boy.
Ah boy, what man you talk
Me
to
and
you?
my mother
You
called
see I move on way forward here now. So you mean by your mother call you? So I make yesterday you
Take
did
up the
it.
phone. Tell the phone and look at who I call me.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, who this sir?
You know, so my daughter may look for Javier.
Mommy,
Yes.
Me I'm calling from when I saw Javier.
mommy, because look what play out the other day when I come up here, me just too much happen, mommy. And really, you make me not talk to you, know, so I don't want you to feel that way.
I understand. I'm really sorry, because guess what? You see me, my boyfriend, he not normally behave like this and drunk and them something, you know. I don't know what. And I'm really sorry about it. Okay, Mama, I understand what you have to say. So what you want to talk to me about? Like, me just want we start over fresh. Like, just start fresh. Alright, then if you insist, even though I never really, I just did want some time for, you know, get used to things and think about certain things like what gonna happen. And me, when me see that, me I say then, me not live a healthy life. What is? So me really did shock. So it does take a turn for me. That's why I never really did that communicate with you. I understand, but me don't want me to be distant again. We just have to try a way to work out things. And I talk to my boyfriend and him saying nah make it happen again. So again, I don't know when I can see if we talk face to face once more because I don't really like the phone thing. Alright, Mama, me I go sort out something and we call her back and tell her when we can come.
Alright.
Later.
Babes, you tell us a big she and busy. You just feel a way to the whole situation. You tell us so far you got great.
You good man.
I just feel a way to what happened. You feel shame on the whole situation. That's why I'm gonna tell us yo, just give her some time. I'm glad you get through to your daughter too. Isn't it?
Well, everything will work out for you best right now.
Yeah. For the rest of it, you're going to live like one family. But you know?
Alright man, me feel better or something, so no, I'm gonna look when I get
How one's iPhone?
I don't know now. That me should have asked her.
Only 5 man.
That me I want now.
Half a man baby.
What?
One of them jealous man there.
Oh God.
You didn't meet him boyfriend yet.
No.
Can you must have wood? Half him boyfriend. I'm gonna look jealous and something.
Well.
We're going to the kitchen. Come over to wash up the plate.
Alright.
You want to do nothing before I wash up the plate? You sure?
What wrong with
Eh? I want her. Come on.
Come on, man.
Go wash up the plate, isn't it? Yeah.
So your mother talk about how did you go on when you go up to your mother?
You mean I not talk? You don't want to talk about that. Let bygones be bygones.
You want to talk about that, you know, because obviously I don't hear nothing what go on, you know. And from
I
when you
just-
come body, you look like you're fresh out, you know. I may try to find out what go on.
Alright, you want to hear? I just, when I go up there, I just go see she a cry and me that cry with her and, you know.
So if you see she a cry, you talk cry with her.
Yeah, and me never, that devastated me, so me really just did, that's how I did look, so right? No, I don't know major. Cool? You
Somebody
happy now?
dead?
Nobody not dead, look all like my mother, no reason. This is something I always talk to you about.
They talk to me about nothing lately, you know. Lately I'm more distant.
Because you move some type of way, you continue to do what you do.
But me
I mean,
I do.
you keep on put your hand on me and me keep on tell you say this not healthy for you and me could work things out. But you don't want that, you just want to get up every day and argue. Like one big toxic something. Every day. Every second.
If me touch you one time like so and nothing that.
You know, get to understand.
You're too thin skin.
You always say stuff like that, man. Always a thing
I love a
about
hardcore girl. You know, so I just meet you and say, yo, that girl that, you know, and that girl that hardcore. Now you look like you're
you change me?
lovey, so I'm like a clingy,
What you mean?
style.
So if me and you go there, love nothing there in there?
Yeah, but I mean like the clingy thing and the bag of love up, baby, this
If
and
you're
that
a
and my
man,
style.
if you're a man, you don't want a relationship. I'm supposed to cling on by you. I'm supposed to I don't understand what you're
But you
trying
go
to
look for
say.
your mother, you tell me to go look for your mother. One of them
Because
type of man there and them style, you see me?
you're supposed to be that type of man. You're supposed to. Why when I say me come look for my mother, you say, you know what, you're not ready for them the commitment yet. When are you gonna be ready? So I say, Mr. B, let's get, we need for second down and married. I say, I tell me, say, you don't believe in them. So, you should man and laugh.
Yo, you know what I'm saying?
You have to laugh.
Yo, man, I know. Yeah, something there, yo.
I say, you're gonna be able to tell
No,
us
look,
to get
alright,
married?
look. Lately, you tell me say you want to fix things with your mother. You want No, you talk about married
Also,
and thing.
also about kids. Me say want a penny tomorrow. You go and behave this way. Go say me clean and me just always I think about
One things at a time, man.
No, but this is things that we need to sit down and talk about.
We can't sit down and talk with you right now.
You see?
You're frustrated. And you're frustrated.
Alright. Can you give me some moment by myself, please? Me cannot.
So every minute me and you talk, you want a moment by yourself.
Because you don't want to talk to me.
Me don't want to talk about what you want to talk about.
Alright. Let me get down to your standard. What do you want to talk about?
Get down to my standard.
Yeah,
My standard low. My standard low.
Excuse me, I never said that.
Alright, man. I don't have to talk with you, you know. I have to talk, man. Don't worry yourself.
Make sure them forever they do.
Go on, you know. Man. I tell you, say my youth, no give away up, brother. Me a forward, brother.
You can't tell me to give away up my youth and I want the work for done, my
I
youth.
true, me have something I deal with a yard there, my youth. My woman and frost my brain, you know, brother. And I don't really want, me just want kind of get to the root type problem, so I kind of stay close so I can kind of see what I go and analyze some things. Just give me a little time, no man, you know, say I want to so work.
Because I really want to steal them, I want to put somebody else on still them.
No, brother.
I say right
I
now,
want
my
the
youth.
work, brother.
I want the work for done, brother, you not come and work. Right now, from last week, you not come and work and every day I tell
I'm
you
not sure you say I work, man. Just,
well, every day I tell me something different, brother. I don't know.
Just tell the people them say I sick or something, no, man. Give me a couple more days, man. Me a forward in,
At
man.
the same time, you slow me up to the same time because I want some money to put down in a funny pocket to use it. And you just slow up the whole thing. I have time to give one another week again, my youth.
Me a forward, man. Don't do a work. So you see me talk and you just come about and you want a minute.
Come
You
here,
just
no?
left in there, so. You can't
Sorry,
take
yeah.
face style, you know. It's alright, baby.
No. You just like to show your colors in front of people, don't you? Damn right. Why you stay so?
How me stay? You see me talk, brother. I him work with you know, and you know.
Me I tell you so me have up on the road.
You go up on the road. How you have to just get up and go up on the road, so. That's how things work. Where you go?
Me I go look for my mother. You never hear up on the phone talk?
You did hear no man. Just remember your timing, man. Don't forget the rules. Hurry up and forward.
So me I
man.
go look for my mother, you put time in for me?
What you mean? So where you couldn't look for your mother, so remember
It's
you
alright,
know, so and
it's
see her, you know.
It's
You
alright.
can talk over your
It's
phone, you know.
alright. What?
Just go on, because you're fast, you know. Hurry up and forward.
You cannot tell me that. My mother me I go look for it, I don't have no time.
Go over your limit and you see what go on. You come like say you not remember it rule, you know. As me I say, brother, just only work now, my youth. The school, man, me soon forward in. Them I think I may tell you about, brother.
I can't say I can't hold it for you last week still, but you know, I want to tell you and you, man. Let me tell you about you, man.
Brother, I don't know if it's, I don't know how to phrase it, brother. You know when you have a thing set on a level, brother, and then you just come like you can kind of see stray and go on. You can see when she wants stray, brother. You have a little birdie in one cage and you can see him a try a bounce
fly
on
out,
the
as we
door.
call it on the mesh, want fly out.
Yeah, brother, I tell you about man. So me there keep a close eye, because I don't really trust her, you know.
You feel
Is it me?
so you feel so she a give it out there?
Not for that, but you know I can't anything. But me don't trust her. That's the strong point tonight.
No, the main thing that you know.
Me not trust her, so I make me kind of, if I come and work, me can't go even focus.
And you know the thing about you, one nice girl you have there too, you know. A nice girl, man. You see her on the street, easy.
You know that me I tell you, man.
Yeah.
Me like her, you know, but at the end of the day, brother, I don't want somebody to bring negative vibes in my brain in my house. Because, alright, it's a girl, she just sit up, see her.
But at the same time, yeah.
And just look like she mad out of space, brother. I'm go to her and I say, yo, be warm to you.
But at the same time,
I wonder, brother.
At the same time, you may say to you still, you can't make the girl make you do no work still no my you.
I go forward, man.
Because She a go want money and you a go want money. You sit down and you and she not digga and two
Man from far.
And 2 weeks you know come out.
Far.
Yeah.
But they on the brink for bust the case, man. Just give me a couple of days. Give me a couple of days.
Why?
Believe in me, man.
I believe in you. I give about 3 days, brother. If you can bust a case in a 3 days, brother, you have to put somebody on the record. The lady a call saying you want the place, and material did a cement hard up, everything a go on bad, brother. Nothing now go on good over there right now, sir.
Now forward, man. Now go forward.
Well, that's what you're saying, sir. So.
Just give me a little time, man. Let me fix yard first and then.
So I go on differently?
I'll be there, I buy it down so I fix. I'll be a freshness here, but you know, I'm there still. I'm there, man. Everything good, differently.
You know, see, I just that my problem still, because I have some woman on the side still, but you know, say fear work, never fit touch of you, have to do fear work.
Yeah, I know. I start here already, but...
Because I don't take that piece of work there, fear and try like to hold up my youth. Because right now, the other man them gone left here. The other man them gone.
You can't link a little more for 1 and 5 grand for bar again.
You to
work well, I work the way value that, man.
Well, you to say the missus there still me now go make you hungry and go step out on your still, so you can check me.
Check.
Yeah, man, check me.
Check you up, yeah.
Check me up when you find time.
Right.
And you have to come before 4 o'clock, you know, because you have to come meeting to go 4 o'clock.
Soon forward, man.
So.
I just get some things done forward.
Well, alright then, sir, man. Go make a move then.
Alright.
Check me for now 4 o'clock.
Yeah, man, yeah.
I'll make sure you line up to come right there.
Alright, Mr. Nara.
Hello. Yeah, hear me?
Yeah, man, you know, Friday.
They're close by to which road we first meet. Where are you?
Alright, let's come back where it all started. First time we meet, they're right at the spot.
Alright.
So you're not glad to see me? Stop going like you're not glad.
Yes, no. Why you choose to come here so people can see?
Alright, that's how we first met. Alright, that's how we meet.
Number say things and time change.
So we have say things and time change. So me and you change. Don't go on like because I want to bad energy happen. I want to misunderstanding go on. Your feelings change for me, because my one don't change for you. Although we are going through some things.
No, you come on phone the other day and tell about this not going to work. So we are talking about my feelings change. And your feelings change to talk to yourself.
Be my feeling not change. Just put yourself in my shoes. Or you want to react. You not go fit. You not go fit now because you just vex. You see me? And you got your feelings. Or you want to feel if you're in my shoes, you know, say you're in love with a person, the person you're in love with, and your woman, daughter, you get to find out how you want to feel. Don't tell me you don't feel the same.
Well, listen, I understand what you say, it really mess up. But how we go build a bond? You think it's going to break, so? It's going to take time.
Babes, I understand all the way you're saying. And nobody feel like me not looking at your moment that you could short a time. Me not see you, you not answer your phone. Me think about the whole of them, me think, bro. Just like how it go hurt you, it go hurt me. But by an idea, me looking at the whole of them thing there. If me and you left tomorrow, by an idea, I just left. But in us always I will do it for you. You want to come like a new feature in my life.
See, you say all of this, but you still not come to one conclusion. If you make me know, say, that you're going to do and that you're not going to do. Like, you just have, you're not saying real. Talk to me, come here.
Listen, this is what I say. Like, I feel like the whole of we start off, never whole of we, my apology. Me and you start off like too fast. We fall in love with each other too fast. We get in contact with each other too fast. So most of the things what me if share with you, we never share. Most of the things what you if share with me, we never share.
Don't get it mixed up your life to me.
Babes, I tell you already, say if I lie, I apologize.
I will never did that move fast either. Did that move fast?
Feelings, not we. Feelings.
Come straight on your talk. you still a go run when me I say to you.
Yes.
What gonna take place from now on?
You what me I say? You still in love with me? Yes or no?
But you
Yes.
look like you have time to waste a minute.
Yeah,
Still
ask you
have
a
feelings to
question.
this mother I portray every minute.
So what you like in yourself? What you me ask you a question, you're still in love with me?
Yes,
Yes or no?
yes.
So you wanna feel like I'm still in love with you?
You know, look, so because you tell me so this now work, I will tell you if you feel like this is a question. Hey.
One more
Our
question. Me I
next
go
guest
answer you.
coming.
One more question. Me I go answer you.
Yeah.
You know, see your mother all along. And you farm back a band and you mash up because of the situation. Like, you know, still have it in your mind to build back a connection with your mother. Yes or no?
Me have it in my mind to build a connection, but my question to you is if you did a high, if I find out, feel like she go find out, you did a idea, you're good. So what go change?
Oh, if idea, I never know.
So she didn't know say you have somebody outside the world?
She couldn't know. I never know say you want to fall in love with somebody where are your mother.
So continue pretend just like you pretend with her, pretend see me.
Me know say me not gonna say I respect for your mother. Cause by an idea, me I respect for her. But by an idea, me no feel like it's a work, babes. No, look into it.
You say not work.
It don't look like it's a work.
It not work.
As much as I want it to work, it don't look like it's a work.
Me not say nothing to you still. It not work. It not go work. Hey.
If this a go work, me I go lie to myself, me I go lie to you, and also me I go lie to your mother. And by any idea, if this a go work, or your relationship with your mother go work.
See, when you tell one lie, you have to use one next life to cover it up. So you tell one lie, you have to tell one next life to cover up what you do. Me a remember say me a mother good man and me tell you me I know she a believe me, you know.
No, what you say, look on?
You know if you hear what me say.
No. No tell me so I threaten you, I threaten me.
Anything you take it for? Me I tell you how it go, like just like how it go. Look, listen to me. Me not mean for come off this way, no. But you know what when me I go through. You know all of my pain. You just know everything. So me don't know how to react right now. You know so me I go through my problems and me are the woman. Me meet you. Me never know so I study so go. Me just find my mother. Everything just I go downhill for me. Me can't focus. Anything will come on my mind right now, me have to say it because of when me I think and I want to go through me and I want to happen. In a quick up I feel that everything
is sorry if me hurt you. I mean, me never mean for none of this happen. I mean, know you go through a lot. Your boyfriend, your relationship, your father, your mother, and now me. What if you did that as a spear in your life? Turn out when me hurt somebody who will mash up your life right now. What me can do? Tell me what me can do.
just work with me and make go work things out.
Yes.
Yeah, it's alright.
Now I'm spot right now. Your mother will find out anywhere right now, mother in her closet. And she has stifled in the dark. She has go through a lot. You feel like this can work?
What you want me to do then?
By an idea, just show me say you're not going to let go. You're not give
you
up.
just want me to give up and forget about everything? You want me to find my way to get over everything?
Yes. You know one case, so them call him circuit. You know not about case? About courthouse. You have RM, you have one part and you call him circuit. Circuit are 50-50. Either you go to prison or you come back to your yard. Right now, part of me I tell myself, if you let you go. And one next part of me, I say, you can't let you go. A 50-50. More you for God just to please her mother. If she not hurt, although she done hurt already. She just don't know say she hurt already, and the next part of me right now, I just want to hold her. Okay.
Alright, listen to me. Me done show you a soft part of me done show you a rough part of me done. Let me tell you this. You see the part where I tell us if you work this out, listen to it. I'm not talk to you again.
Yeah.
And by the way, you still love me?
Yeah, I can say, babe, you know me still love me, crazy in love with you.
Think about that.
Pop it on! Tell me, sir, lucky man lock up in my house with you, man. Because naturally, if him cousin in there, that means your door on lock. Pop it on! Pop it on! Pop! Pop it on! Pop it on!
What a problem? We'll come over here. My brother not there, and me there.
I pop it on, me can check it now. Pop it on not there. Sorry about that, man. Big up yourself, here.
Come. You know something I like you. No.
So we have spell it out back again, I don't know what that.
Yeah, me just want to remind you. But me tell you so. My friend, me don't know my friend seeing you, know. Me don't know what she seeing you. But I feel her choice. And anything make she happy, make me happy.
You know your friend seeing me, he current to me, it shock him.
I'm gonna tell her this. You see, if you hurt my friend, I tell her this. Me will come for you if you hurt my friend. You see my daughter try, you see my friend I try to build back her bond with her daughter. Me no want
so
you
to go
between my friend and her daughter to mash up that. You understand me? She work too hard to get back her daughter for somebody like you come mash up it. You hear what me I say? Me want you
Fight with again. Hey, you come like you're a referee.
Me don't talk, you know. Me say what me have to say, you know. And me don't talk. But just don't make my friend come over here with no tears in her eye again. You hear? That
so,
me a tell
you. You want cheat and you feel like me a cheat for my woman.
That not
what you going to tell us over there?
You that are not your business. That are between me and my friend. When you can't tell Puppy Dan
so you're sick. When I can't tell Puppy Dan. I can't tell him say me I go through my stress. I mean you mash up the relationship with the man in daughter. And Puppy Dan motivate me. And tell me if you tap drink. What else me if you tell Puppy Dan?
Different to tell Puppy Dan.
What if you tell him say?
That's your business.
Let me tell you something. Me not hate you, no. But if it's true you not like me not like you.
Me not here. Me not look like
Or look at life. Or look at man.
Life. Me not need no man.
Puppy Dan tell me so when you come here with the man, you listen.
So me not must listen.
Stop watch your cousin and your brother, you know what I know. Now watch it before you go look at man. Your pampers twist.
Don't come back over here.
Your pampers twist. I chew up your Puppy Dan family, you know, because I don't like him. I like Puppy Dan side. For your side, I don't like you.
That makes you like man.
I'm a virgin, I don't like my virgin.
What's up here? What?
I feel I'm Puppy Dan yard. If you're part, I can over Puppy Dan part. Hey, hey!
The junkie man not there here.
I'm glad to say it so.
No.
I'm glad to see it. No. My brain just messed up, man. But I'm glad to see you. Swear to God, I'm glad to see you. Like, hey, God good enough. God always answer my prayer. I'm tell you, say, you're the evil. So what now?
No, I just come to talk to you because I know as you call me and tell you say my brain did really messed up from what did happen the last time. So I just say alright, I could talk.
Alright, Jason, to tell you the truth, my boyfriend is not normally like that. You understand what I say? Like the whole scenario was going when him drunk and me have to throw water in his face and you understand what I say? That's not us. So sorry if you put you through that for the first year meet him and you have to see we like that. It's not normally like that.
I understand, mommy. That's why I'm really come because I say, you know, it's not really fear for me, I think, otherwise, and you don't really know the your side of the story. That's why I'm come. What did I have, man? What did I have your parent?
So whole life differently, and I call the other day and me hear somebody answer phone or a man. Who the man?
No, my friend. We did up and we did and
she not let go. She tell me say she not let go. Babe, that feels surprising me.
You fix a little? Oh God, so happened. Let me see this one. Alright, so can officially introduce you now, like, so Javier is coloring book.
No, color Omar better.
How you know say name Omar?
Remember say we do that tap on the phone and tell me say name Omar. Remember man? Nobody either.
Alright.
I kind of hard answer. Oh.
But wait. So Javier, you like your stepfather, man?
Yes.
What do you mean we are get acquainted?
I drink some water and come back.
No, that's but
Well, you
anyway.
know what feel be one of your family.
Yeah, cause
That's why I'm gonna be a brother now. Alright, round here.
Yes.
Yeah.
I use the bathroom, yes.
I want to you.
when they find bathroom when you always a drinking man puppy down.
You
Let me
must
start
have
you. Hold on me. You alright?
Yeah, babes.
Or a man come out?
Yeah.
You married?
You seem to be alright, man.
Yeah, I look so worried. What happened to you?
No, me
Stop
head just start
stressing
hurting
everything,
all of a sudden, like.
Stop stressing
Really?
everything alright, mommy. We have built the bond where you ever want. Everything will be alright. Everything will be alright, okay? Okay.
Belly around, babes.
You know, see how it is about your food.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Something wrong with you, man.
No, man. No. What's wrong with you?
Babes, come like
So
a
why
body
everybody
man.
nervous?
Belly around, man. Like, you know, you're afraid. Like, on a shock.
So what you afraid for?
Why, you know, you know, on the news last week, babes, say, Roman, you find over some over Spanish town in your body room. Come like I run.
Me tell her to leave room alone in your ear. That video.
Babes, you what? On a big man level.
So my going between the two of them. Why
Yes.
everybody nervous? Me
You
understand.
know bother with this today?
No, God,
Please,
no,
me I
babe,
beg
listen,
you.
I couldn't do that, babe. Me just come to tell you, say, I'm just glad to say your daughter come check you. Look, one more, Omar again. Yeah, man. But your daughter nice, babes. And I can't say you feel good, say your daughter come link you. I'm not going to spoil it again. I apologize. Stand up, please. Stand up. So what you hear when I forward over here, I just want to tell you my apology. I'm really, really sorry about everything. Everything I'm sorry about. I just found my phone on myself. Be the first time you come over here, come introduce. You see me, so I really apologize.
Yeah,
about
me
it.
don't forgive up on my mother behalf already. So you know worry about that.
So what about your behalf?
Yeah, I forgive you.
Alright. Babes, you want some time you and her can talk?
Yeah.
Alright. Good side, you're sorry about that again, you're. Yeah, man.
But like see town I live good though, cause and every stepdaughter. Why? Why man?
My move strange.
You not even know him like that, so how you mean him a move strange?
And tell me if you know somebody if you know so them a move strange? You don't feel like I cheat him or cheat for me.
No sir. Me and this man they all long and me never have that problem with him like woman problem and cheating. But me not suspect nothing, no call, no sir.
Oh, no, reason why I'm asked. Is that true, you know? But anyways, on your me time after that.
Oh man.
So what different than me?
Nothing as I see. This is my life. Well, not really my life cause some strange things are happen for other day. I don't know what they cause it, but I promise you, me I go fix it.
Okay,
Yeah.
me I give a chance to.
Yeah, me I fix it man. So when me I see you again,
You can't make no promises, you can't get a date.
But one of them there, hopefully we can go somewhere, go have an ice cream or something like ketchup and
Not no bad.
one day.
But I would have to check to see if me alone for dinner and we can call it.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Yeah.
Take care.
Alright.
Yep. You know, just walk here where the sound like you get here.
Alright.
And my dog I'm always come out here and come mess up here.
Alright.
Swing forward.
You know, Miss already.
Of course, let me see.
Bye. Go and get it more that too.
Yes. Yeah, man, I just follow her. Go to the gate and look my lucky girl. You can look on her, you can see she happy. She really happy, like she glad. So you're on her link back.
To be honest, I'm glad too, you know. But I'm telling you, I'm glad. And I don't want nothing nor nobody jeopardize what me and her build. Like, remember, you know, I did lose her already for years, you know. I don't want to lose her again because of nobody, you know. Or nothing, you know, no matter who he be. I could have even you. Cause I guess so I can't get any other man. I'm not sure if I can breathe again. I don't understand what I say, no offense.
Yes,
I'm not saying may go left, but I just the truth. You get what I say?
You know what, babes? You understand what I say? Maybe me feel that way and maybe me just look on you and know so I don't feel that way right thing and talk. Yo, different from me. Yo, you have some man out there and be able to date some woman, you know. They love them woman, you know. But sometimes some good thing just happen where it just shake up this relationship. But on my part now, my part to you now, me I do everything what me can do. You just know say yo, you and your daughter, the bond you no break. You see me? For me and your part, yo, me not perfect and you not perfect, you know, so me don't know how my part stay. But me I try my best to no lose it. Cause right now you come like my watch. You see me, anytime I look for my watch, I know me think about. You see me? So I don't think I want to move a clock there. You see me? You understand?
Well, you finna do nothing for, you know, make it mash up me. Cause me know me good for my side, you know.
Babes, you me as someone. Nah, I go do nothing. But one thing me I tell you. You see your fridge? Yeah, just make sure you say my heart with a current gun. Just make sure you say no melt out.
You ever have someone talking in your mood, but I don't know. So I make it look, so I don't understand how you do, depressed or something?
Just depressed and also just happy. So you happy. Sometimes some people happy, you know, my friend, and they just cry, you know. You see me? Some just glad say, oh, you and your daughter link back and everything, you see me? You see me?
Don't worry your head too tough, just relax, cause you look worse than me right now, like you go through something, I don't know what, but...
By tomorrow I'm good, babes, man, you see me?
Alright,
By tomorrow I'm good.
Probably care. You sure if you go through nothing you want to tell me?
Babes.
Me don't want me they live like you keep no secret from me or nothing, you're sure.
It's the only thing I got through right now, babes. I just feel like me go use the bathroom and I feel like I want a shower. Yeah. Me go ride the bike, I just feel like I need to bathe. And after me bathe, it's like how you and your daughter link now. I feel like your daughter need a little sister or a little brother. So if you want to come join me in the shower.
Alright.
I'll drop your soap, you know. You good?
Come on.
Yeah, well, like, me no know one big money. Yeah, question me.
Let me tell you something.
What happened? You cook?
You need to have a woman in your house, you know.
You need to have one man who will help you pay your bills. Can you come like you want to live comfortably in this one? I don't like
hello,
that.
I mean you buy things in this house, you know. I know me, I know you want, you know.
What
you
this
buy
man?
things when me ready, you know. And I know that me type of stuff you talk about. Me type of you talk to your set. You see your friend where what your name again? What your friend name? You always come over here.
No, I watch shirt me about. No man, I watch. Take time. Coloring book. What?
Yeah.
You come look
see
for
that
me.
bleach out ugly man then? Me not like him. You see this man and he come over here. He might come tell me say you know, you say how much me I watch you when you carry girl come in our house. Me ever watch you when you carry girl in our house?
Listen to me.
No, me ever watch you when you carry girl in our house?
Listen to me, I say. You see, if you never my cousin, I thump you over in the wall. Don't do that.
Try that.
My mother never do
Try
that, so you don't do that. Listen to me, I say. A whole heap of time I carry girl coming up. And me listen out of something, I say we have the same room. Me don't know if you have people, but me just feel like say you hear me at work and you come and listen.
You see, you want to look at dirty cousin, you know. I remember saying, it was my mother left me in this house. So now we can't put out nobody. A year.
So you have to tell me about coloring book for.
Where me I tell you about coloring book for? He come over here trace me like say my girl. Me I talk to him, he might toe to toe with me like him a vagina more than me. And I can't tell me about me a pamperis. When you pamperis, something like that there.
Pamperis. So you mean
No, pampas twist me mean.
But your pampas not twist.
What you mean me pampas not twist me or your pampas? You idiot?
No, but you say your pampas twist.
Let me tell you something. You see the boy there? Me no want you par with him. Because I'm a good company.
Let me ask you one question.
Yeah.
Never tell you which man fi take from which man fi not take. Don't bother with me here. Me not tell you which man fi
me
take.
advice in the right way. Watch ya.
Go look a man. I tell you if you go do what I want to.
Don't worry about me, a man. The foot back then shine like a cooking iron. But wait. You know, the puppy done a coloring book a chat me for through though. Because this morning coloring book tell me if you go look a man. No, because you come in here tell me if you go look a man. You see two of them, then leave for my name. No, say a crosses them be. Yeah, coloring book a crosses! And I found a pampas twist. You know, I'll give it.
Hello. Morning.
Morning.
Nice meeting you. Which one coloring book then?
There's some more work here, so listen.
Oh, I'm forward to my. I know I say really and truly. You look like you don't know me still, but your boyfriend always a talk good boy, you see me? I'm puppy than coloring book best friend. Marika cousin.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. Well, it's good for me to in person, like officially. Me always say like community, but we never talk.
Well, me see your husband already. You understand, but see and hear you, but me never hold a conversation with you because me no need to. I take in a disrespectful way, but same woman is supposed to be my friend. But anyways, hope one day when we find a beautiful woman like you, nice man like you, my secretary will be one burner like my friend. So you say general and deal with those. I'm a 40, you know, on the road. Shout him for me, I'll go on the road, you know. We treat the boss good and all, me not say you not do it, but you know, that's a good boy. Coloring book.
Yeah, okay.
Check in now.
Pupian.
What go on?
My pray.
There, you say, road. How you find over here? You say, road.
The jacket bad though.
Yeah, man.
If I don't want you can give me.
One idea there.
Yes. I'm popular now, I go on the road. What time if you come back? What time if you come back?
Yeah, our time now.
1 hour, 1 2 hours.
Yeah, more that.
Alright.
No matter make it pass. 2 hours.
Alright.
Yeah?
Alright.
Alright. Oh, come here, B. Come here. Young guy, right? Mm-hmm. What me know what you have to do?
You look no woman.
I don't have to come to your friend. Me know someone always drink and sit. Don't get.
Oh, drink 1 drink or 2, no go 3, 4.
Not even got 2, just one drink.
Alright, I'm just about
Girl, I feel pretty like a color rainbow.
See.
Yeah.
Alright, take care. Look after
Yeah,
good enough.
Yeah, man.
You have just hold me like
Don't be a junkie.
I kiss mama, kiss me. I say, okay, mama, kiss me.
Roll me there.
No babes. But just there I think about when me and you just meet. You remember them days when we all live nice and happy? She could have go back to them days. Then I looking at thing from with you and I say yo, the thing just get toxic at one level, isn't it?
Sorry about that.
So as me I say, we just kinda get toxic and thing, isn't it? You want to go back to a loving couple where it start out as you know.
We can work in a bit, we just have to just work with each other.
That me I think like. So you are speak so?
Just, my stomach feel weird, me can't so right now for speak out, sorry.
But other day I realize you just a spit so still you know, feel good but you soon get better, you know?
I just have my stomach not feel right from one. You know really nothing.
No man, free man. What is? For me granny always tell me say, if he look so, so. Coulda what this? Time somebody have vomit so. Alright guys, you have made it to the end of this movie and as you can see it's an epic one. And here big up Tiana and Lucy. You don't know. Thanks for the support, continue support. I'm here to watch. Remember to check out my channel, Bad Go TV. Go over there, subscribe, like, share. Remember to check out Life with Tia. Remember to check out Marika Vlogs. Alright, it's Life with Tia.
Well, God, I'm done once again, America. So remember, watch the movie to the end. And remember to go over America Vlogs. And remember Life with Tia.
And all of them they are real.
Alright people, man from far, brand new actor. Look out, you have some epic scene coming. Boom! We out here. Color Book TV for the people. Only for the people.